undeniable Nibiru, the signs in sky that prove Planet X is in our solar system. Nibiru is on its way to passing the Earth, with more evidence staring us in the face each day. Self-styled Planet X expert Matt Rogers has released a series of images which he claims are proof that Nibiru is getting closer each day. The Nibiru or Planet X theory is that a mini-solar system consisting of a sun, planets and moons is lurking on the edge of our solar system with a huge orbit of the sun. Nibiru believers are convinced the rogue system is making its way from the outer solar system inwards, where it will wreak havoc on Earth as it passes at about 4 million miles away, but causes the poles to switch and great earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Mr. Rogers compiled the images in a video entitled "Are We Seeing the Colors from the System?" on his YouTube channel Skywatcher Matt Rogers. Narrating the video, he said, "We know that wormwood, another name used for Nibiru, is in our skies and no one can say any different, because we can see the different colors in our skies." Mr. Rogers is a conspiracy theorist who claims world leaders are trying to cover up the fact it is coming by spraying chemicals into the sky to blur out the views. However, despite most of Mr. Rogers' 24,000 subscribers believing he is revealing evidence of the Planet X system, he appears to just broadcast pictures of colorful sunsets, bright sunlight, and other natural phenomena, to back up his claims. In the latest video, Mr. Rogers showed an image of an upside-down rainbow which was sent to him by Barbara Jackson from Lancashire, who snapped it looking northeast. He said, "Recently on another video, we saw this same rainbow reflection in Australia. Now this reflection is here in the UK. This reflection is from a heavenly body. Now people would still deny it and say it's a normal rainbow, but we can see clearly it's different." Express.co.uk discovered that while it is different to a normal rainbow, it is just a fairly unusual natural phenomenon known as a circumzenith arc, which is caused by the refraction of sunlight through ice crystals. Other pictures he showed were a bright picture of the sun, which he said was too white, meaning something was wrong. Luke Ashton from Europe sent in another picture, of a bright sun with a dark sky, taken at about 2 p.m. Mr. Rogers said, he sees the haze in the sky, sees the halo. He is new to the channel and is now seeing the truth. He is awake to it and knows something is wrong. When I show you these images, there is no trickery, no editing. We show you the truth and what is coming. There is a problem. This is why they spray the skies, because they know humanity, with high-performance equipment, would see it and they don't want the truth to come out. He showed more sunset pictures, showing what he said were a pink haze and a rainbow reflection that he said were reflections from the Nibiru system. He said, there is a golden color on the horizon, something else is reflecting. In this amazing footage, as you can see clearly, that pink haze around this area. This isn't the sun. It can't be. It changes its shape and also it's too white, with that dim sky just behind. It was taken at 3.30, there is no way. The whole sky system is changed, something else is changing our skies. Express.co.uk sent the video to Scott Brando, who forensically examines alleged paranormal pictures and videos. He presents his findings on the website ufothinterest.org. He is convinced that the images are of typical weather and light phenomena. Sightings of the disastrous Nibiru cataclysm. In January 2002, a dull star in an obscure constellation suddenly became 600,000 times more luminous than our sun. Mr. Brando said, watching his video, I see known atmospheric optical effects like sundogs, iridescent clouds, lens flares and contrails at sunsets. I do not see any anomaly. Despite the debunking, Mr. Rogers has a legion of followers who believe we are doomed. After watching his video, one user called Ems Chelly posted, "Time to prepare and time to repent. The Lord is coming really soon." Diane Boynton added, "Purple haze is the last stage." Prince performed this tribute. It's done. The Nibiru myth emerged in 1976, when writer Zecharia Sitchin claimed that two ancient Middle Eastern cultures, the Babylonians and Sumerians, told of a giant planet, Nibiru, that orbited the Sun. The Nibiru story was linked to the beginning of the end of the world by Christian fundamentalists, who believed the rapture would start on September 23 and was connected to celestial activity as interpreted from passages in the Bible.